Frank.
I'm just tearing down the walls for you on this one. Yeah. I'm feeling this one. We got her. Yeah. Yo. You only get one chance, better get it right. I'm just trying to advance to a better life. But first I gotta let go of the old one. And you wanna know who's gonna help? No one. Cause in this game you gotta do it yourself. But keep your family on your mind while you pursuing the wealth. And the most important thing is you and your health. But I'm a champion, rocking all you dudes for the belt. Cause I ain't like them other guys. Nope. I'm just trying to show you what's inside. I made my mother cry, now it's time to up and rise. Till they lay me down to sleep with a lullaby. And watch your back, cause showing too much love will murk you. Keep your eye on your circle and don't fuck with lurkers. When you suffer, man, enough will hurt you. I'm just tearing down the walls like construction workers to let you see